Ever puzzled over how to transform a discarded battery into a simple hydrogen generator? It might sound like an ambitious project, but with a bit of patience and a few household items, this scientific marvel could be humming away in your garage. First, gather the necessary materials. This includes an old battery, some baking soda, a plastic bottle, electrical wires, and a bit of aluminium foil. Remember, safety should always be a priority. Always wear gloves and goggles to protect your skin and eyes. Let's begin with the old battery. Crack it open carefully, making sure not to damage the contents inside. What you're interested in are the carbon rods. Extract these rods as they will serve as the electrodes in your hydrogen generator. Output. Next, prepare the bottle. Fill it halfway with warm water and add a few tablespoons of baking soda. Stir until the baking soda dissolves completely. This solution will act as an electrolyte, facilitating the flow of current. Now for the fun part. Connect the carbon rods to the electrical wires and place them into the bottle, making sure they are immersed in the baking soda solution, but not touching each other. Cover the top of the bottle with aluminium foil and make a small hole for the hydrogen gas to escape. With everything set up, connect the other ends of the electrical wires to a power source. Once the power starts flowing, an exciting chemical reaction will take place. The electricity will break down the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, a process known as electrolysis. Watch as bubbles start to form around the carbon rods and rise to the surface. That's your hydrogen gas. Be careful though, as hydrogen is highly flammable. To collect the hydrogen, you can connect a balloon to the hole in the aluminium foil. As the gas escapes, it will fill up the balloon. And voila, you have a homemade hydrogen generator. In summary, creating a hydrogen generator involves extracting carbon rods from an old battery and using them as electrodes in a solution of baking soda and water. When electricity is applied, it breaks down the water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen gas is then captured in a balloon for future use. The benefits of this DIY project are twofold. Not only does it give a second life to an old battery, reducing electronic waste, but it also allows you to produce hydrogen, a clean and renewable source of energy. It's a fun and educational project that marries science, sustainability, and creativity. So the next time you have a worn-out battery, don't just toss it away. Consider transforming it into a hydrogen generator. After all, who knew that such a simple object could unlock the power of water?